myself, Tushar Rakesh Kasaf. I am studying 7th standard Prachiti International School. In this state level online oratory competition, my topic is the advantages and disadvantages of online education. With the advent of internet and computers, online education has become very popular among us, and it is also a very easy and convenient way for learning. Students learn online with the help of mobiles, computers or laptop, which are also sometimes harmful for our health. In online education, students give virtual exams, chat with other students, attend online lectures, post questions, answers to the teachers, and do much more things. However, online education has both advantages and disadvantages. Some of these advantages are: first advantage is the comfort and convenience. Students learn online education at their home comfort. They are at their convenience. Second advantage is the documentation. All the study documents, training materials, emails, etc. are safely saved in the mobile database. If the students need any of this, they can access it fastly, saving lot of their time. Third advantage is the no traveling. The traveling cost and time is saved in the online education. The lot of fuel is saved too. The online education is comfortable during heavy rainfall and other unfavorable climate conditions. Fourth advantage is the no age barrier. People of any age can enroll for most of the online courses, which helps them to upgrade themselves in the professional skills. Fifth advantage is the varieties of programs and courses. Students have a lot of variety to choose an online educational programs like Byju's, Vedantu and Extra Marks, which provides them a creative learning themes and ideas, in which they can able to choose the subject and topic of their interest very easily. Like that, there are some disadvantages also. First disadvantage is the classroom interaction is missing during the online education. In the online education, there is no face-to-face conversation between the students and teachers. The students also can't able to meet with the other students. This puts barrier in communication skills and personality development. Second disadvantage is the cost. Everyone cannot afford a computer or a laptop. Many people don't even have smartphones, and the internet prices are also increasing day by day. Hence, online education is not afforded by every people. The third disadvantage is the scripted lectures. In the traditional education, teachers teach in a creative and dynamic way. But in the online education, everything is scripted. It lacks of emotions like happiness, joy, anger and excitement. Fourth disadvantage is the discipline. In the traditional education, a big importance is given to discipline. But in the online education, the students are free. The lot of freedom is not good for the students and the society. Fifth disadvantage is the technological issues. There can be a technical problem in the computer during the online course. This can make it difficult to complete a course on time. In the conclusion, the online education can be seen as a complement and extension of traditional way of education. Thank you.